Welcome guys to another video. Today we are creating a simple video to green screen converter using a library I have used in a YouTube short called rembg, which removes the background from an image, and we are going to use this in our favor with combining with opencv to apply this to a video. So as always, we have to install some libraries. Here you have the command, and if you want to, you can also install it with Python packages if you're using Python. After importing our libraries, we need to create some variables which are actually the file names of the video we are going to input and also output. Then using MoviePy, let's divide our file in audio and video. This is because opencv can only modify the frames, and for some reason it can't keep the audio. So we need to use this library to join it together after processing the frames of it. Also, let's get the properties of the input video used for the video writer, which is the file we're going to write the process frames to. Then we're going to use 4cc, which is the codec used on MP4 videos. If you had another type of video, it will work too, because automatically it changed the codec, but you can try out also with XBit or H.264, which are other type of codecs. So CB2, doc, video writer. Also, we need to initialize video writer. We have already the properties and the codec, but we need to initialize this as out, a short name for output. We need to pass the temporary video path, the codec, the FPS, and into a tuple the width and the height. And also we need the capture, which is the video input where we are going to get the frames from. Then this is optional, CQDM. We are going to add a progress bar, CQDM. Messed up here. And for that, we need to count the frames of the video first, so total frames, frame count. To create this, we need to create an instance of the bar, which is we are going to apply it to a variable. Bar equals CQM total equals total frames, and description. And as description, you can add whatever you want. I will add processing video. Now we have it. Now, let's create our first function, which is the function that we are going to pass to each frame to convert it into green screen. Now we need to convert the video to be a RGB format, because CV2 automatically gets the video and converts it to BGR, which isn't compatible with remove background. So we need to convert it to RGB. Then do the magic, remove the background and converting the background to a green screen. We'll need to add a tuple with the color encoding in RGB, also with transparency, so it's 0 for red, 255 for green, and 0 for blue. Also 255 for transparency. And then to finish, we have to return the frame in the BGR format again. Now let's create the function that will actually give us the frame to process them. So we're going to call it process video. We don't need to parse anything to it, and let's get started with it. So while the capture is open, basically this means while we have frames remaining in the video, we need to iterate over each frame, removing the background, as well as updating the progress bar and writing the frames over to the new video file. So red and frame. Red means if the video is still open. If it is open, break over the loop and push the frame. So process frame plus processing. Write the frame to a new video and update the progress bar. After we finished processing the video, we need to close every instance of the writer, the reader, and also the progress bar. So let's close them by using release and close. Also, we want to tell the user that we are finished processing the video. So let's create here a print. And now let's get to the last function, because as I said before, we can manage the audio with opencv, so we have to join it with MoviePy. So let's add a little error handling to prevent all our processed video to get deleted. We don't want to mess things up after processing the video. That's why we create this. Here we will be using another codec, a different one. This is called X264. As a curiosity, this is the codec that many people use to go live in Twitch and in YouTube. And write the audio codec AAC, which is the standard codec. And also let's write the exception. Except anything wrong happens. And then to finish everything, let's create our main function, where we are going to call process video as well as combine audio. Now let's try it. So now I have this video of some animals. Let's process it. Oh, we messed up here a little bit. This is with Majus. There we have it now. Perfect. Let's test it out. You can see processing video, and this should take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your video. So now we have to wait. And there we have it. Let's see how it turned out. As you can see, it isn't perfect, but in my opinion, he has done a pretty great job. It should work with practically anything, including animals, humans, cars. And that's it. Hope you liked the video, consider subscribing, and also leave a great comment down there. It will motivate me out a lot to keep working on this kind of videos. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!